bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin nǹkan. Bàbá olóyin original, I'm staying at Yesiota. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop. Yesiota. I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power Book, Agbára Èèyàn Dúdú, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Human Problems. You can get all these books on email, WhatsApp or Gmail. But don't forget, my books are not on Amazon. You cannot get my original books. My original books, only as a medicine, especially original books written by Baba Oloyin. You can never get them at Amazon. If you are to be on Amazon in future, I will come to inform the general public. African Power, you can see them on Amazon. You can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota, to get my books and honey. I have branches in Lagos State. You can go to Mushin, number 4, Alukola Street, Mushin. At Oshodi, you can go to number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia, Oshodi. At Bariga, you can go to number 36, Ilaje Road. Number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. At Surulere, you can go to number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Powerwood, Akerele, Surulere. At Mushin, don't forget, number 4, Alokolaro Street. Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop. If you are coming from Yanesolo, drop at Alafia bus stop along Isolo Road. House on number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin. We are there. At Oshodi, number 6, Everett Way. Number 6, Everett Way. Alasia bus stop. Alasia bus stop, Oshodi. Near Bolade. Behind that YTK petrol station. The only petrol station along that road. Before you reach Bolade. If you are coming from Oshodi, it's the first petrol station on the left, opposite Radio Nigeria. If you are coming from Ikeja, it's the only petrol station before you reach Bolade on the right side. Number 6, Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia Oshodi. Or if you are living around Sango, you can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. From Sango or from Toll Gate, from Abeokuta Road Toll Gate, enter Marua to Yaneyesi. When you reach Yaneyesi, cross to the other side. Enter Marua or bike to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. If you are coming from Agbara, you are coming from Owode, Idiroko side, you are coming from Winner side. Enter Marua or Okada to Yaneyesi. When you get to Yaneyesi, you don't need to cross again. That place where you get down, tell Okada mom, you are going to Adebisi, Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Adebisi, Yesiota. They bring you come. We are always there Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. We don't open Saturday and Sunday. We don't. We have resting time. Today, I want to tell you, if you read at the caption, why some pastors, herbalists, spiritualists, they remain poor. You see it on the screen. Why pastors, herbalists, spiritualists, they remain poor. This title, some people will wonder, whatever brought this thing, you need to listen very well. You need to listen very attentively. See, There are some people, they don't appreciate what their pastors are doing for them, what their imam are doing for them, what their spiritualists, what they are doing for them. And everybody knows that when they say God will help you, God will never come down from heaven to earth to help people. They will send people to you. My friend, when you bought your 100 million worth of Jeep, you ask your pastor to come and pray for it, to come and pray on it with 10,000 in envelope. Come on, rookie. It's in your mind now. Then you shake now. 10,000 naira when you bought the Jeep of over 10 million. You ask your pastor to come and pray over it. You put 10,000 inside an envelope. Pastor, come on for Uber Manje. He's a pastor. We don't want to spend them with money. You have an Alpha. Alpha used to work 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. When you are sleeping, when you are busy sleeping, putting saliva in your mouth. Or when you are busy with your wife in the midnight. Pastor and Alpha was busy doing spiritual work for you. They do it for you. You are building 3 houses, 4 houses with luxurious Jeep and cars. You forgot your Alpha. That Alpha will remain poor. You have Imam. When you finish worshiping 5 a.m. to 6, you will say, Salam alaikum. Alpha will answer you. Alpha, my business is not moving as expected. I want to come and see you, Imam. You go to Imam's house. Imam will do something for you. When you get big money, you will go and get a land. You will abandon the Alpha. You will not come back. You will not come the Alpha again. And when the things you are using is finished, then you remember Alpha that, I remember one Alpha. When I was living at Ikotun, he did one spiritual work for me. And you need to call the man. When you go there, they will tell you the Baba is dead. The Baba is dead. Or he has returned back to his home with old age. This thing used to happen. When we were in the village, I observed many things. Some people will come from town to the village. They tell some Abalis in the village who don't get anything more than the mud house they inherited from their father. Later Dogun, the mud house, the mud house they inherited from their father. You will come to them. My business is not moving. I'm a motor mechanic. They will do spiritual work for you. When you reach you collect it on Saturday or Sunday. When you take the soap on Sunday and Monday, before you reach your workshop, people are waiting for you, queuing for you to see you. As if you are more than that, you will collect materials money, collect everything. You begin to live a big man. You will forget the man. Even when you go to the village to visit your papa, if Baba say, come and visit Baba Dami, who do that you do for you? Who did that medicine for you that you are able to see something? You say, no, Baba, next time when I come and visit Baba, no problem. And those Baba, they didn't go to school, but they got sense. If they do it to do for you, and they think you may not come back to say thank you, they will put your name and write your name with Edu, charcoal. They will write your name with charcoal. This is Jamiu. This is a body. They will spoil it for you. When you come back, they will say they never see that leaves again. They write your name with charcoal. Where you get your child, you are barrenness, you don't have children. You go to them, they pray for you, they do juju for you. You know where you used to go and do Thanksgiving. Ọ̀tọ̀ níbi ẹ ti jàsè jẹ, ọ̀tọ̀ níbi ẹ ti gbọ́mọ dúpẹ́, wẹ́ẹ́ kọ́mọ rókì lọ́kàn yín. Ọ̀tọ̀ níbi ẹ ti jàsè jẹ, ọ̀tọ̀ níbi ẹ ti lọ gbọ́mọ dúpẹ́, wẹ́ẹ́. That's why it doesn't concern me, but just be grateful. Sometimes when you go there, they do some things for you, they will write your name down with charcoal. You don't know. If you don't come back again, some wicked people, they can spoil it for you. You want to travel to America, London, Japan, Canada. You go to spiritualists, they do something for you, they pray for you. You don't come back again. Or you are at your own risk. Then when you go to this Abba shop, you want to buy this alligator pepper. If you price too much, well, there are some alligator pepper we use to cancel a case, court case. You call it Atari Aja. It's a small alligator pepper. You don't price it. If they want to sell it for you, they will know you want to use for a better thing. They call it 300 naira. Instead of the big one they are selling for 200. If you price it, it won't work for you. That one, we talk about that one later on. You want your pastor to help you. You want your affair to help you. Try to show up. If you cannot show every time, try to send something to them. Let them get your alert. Sokoto tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ àrán, oko ló ń gbé o. When you go to some herbalists, you will see them. They will plant leaves, herbs and leaves in the old house. They will plant leaves and herbs in the old house with starter clause. And if they tell you they are working for people in America, London, Japan, you will not believe them. Because it is you people that will say, ẹni tí ó daṣọ fún ni tọrùn ẹ̀ la wò. Who will give you extra clothes? You will look at the one who is putting on. It's not like that for Tasha Messi. It's not like that for Imam. It's not like that. Yes, I'm saying it. If you are fond of doing spiritual candle to separate husband and wife, it's not good. When I came to my house at Yesi one time, he said things are not working for him. And he don't know what to do. I said, do you see me before? He said, no. Do you know me before? I said, you have been hearing me on radio and television that time. You have one medicine. And that medicine you think is fetching you money. It's fetching you troubles. It's putting you to wahala. And that medicine is to separate husband and wife. The man was weeping. He said, yes, you are correct. I said, where did you come from? He said, I came from Ifo. I said, I never go to Ifo before. If I pass through Ifo, I only through my motor or enter public bus. That Ifo town, I never step my leg to that town. So I may not know you. I don't know you. He said, it's true. I said, if I pass through Ifo, either I'm going to Abeokuta or going to Parliament FM that time. I have never stepped my town to Ifo town. Go around towns in the area and Ifo. I used to pass through the express whenever I wanted to go to Parliament FM or go to Ibadan that time. I said, Baba, unless you go and apologize, go tọrọ àforíjì. Later, he came to thank me because he showed improvements in his life. Yes. If your own is to collect money from other people, by force, don't come to me. Don't forget I publish many books that you can see. You can buy my books online. E-books, you can collect them as e-books on WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. And you can come to my office at Babolo bus stop, Yesota, or go to my agents in the town that have given you the address. And don't forget to watch Kenny Show, my other channel, Kenny Show Television, and my last born, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. If you want the two channels, the other two channels, you'll see me there as well. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.